What's good, everybody? My name is Modi. This is Modi Makes, and today we're getting right back into it with part 2 of the custom painted vinyl record video. So no need to mess about, no need to do any explanation. If you haven't seen the first part, go back there and check that out, and then come right back and watch this video. All right, let's get into it. we go. Right on. Hey, do you guys know what time it is? What do you think over there, huh? That's right. It's time for final shots, baby. What do you think of this here, PDP Cup? Excellent. Thank you for that. Let's get into it. Well, there you have it, folks. My painted vinyl diptych is finally complete. With that being said, let me know what you guys thought of them down in the comments below. Let me know which of the four, if you have an individual one, is your favorite, and which of the two sides is your favorite. And with that out of the way, thank you guys, as always, so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. It means a ton to me that people watch the channel. And, hit that like and make sure to subscribe so you can help me grow and bring this to more people. That would mean a ton to me, truthfully. I'm still very, very small as a channel. And so anything you guys can do like that would help me out a ton, So be awesome. That's it for this week's video. I'm going to be taking next week off because it's the week between Christmas and New Year's, and I haven't had a break in a while except for when my computer went down, and truthfully I didn't even really have a break then because I was still shooting content. So I will catch you guys in the new year. I hope you guys all have an amazing holiday season for whatever holiday that you choose to celebrate. Make sure you have a happy one. Make sure to reach out to the family and, just make people happy around you, okay? All right, catch you guys next time. Peace.